Hi guys, there's 6 major changes in the SNAP exam. Do subscribe to the channel for all the updated news on day 1. 2020 और क्या क्या दिखाएगा भाई, यही सुनना बाकी रह गया था बस. So we have a major change here, major changes in the SNAP exam. So 2 major changes. Number 1, SNAP is going to happen twice, once in December 2020 and second time in January 2021. So student can take up to 2 times, so we can see it here. And the best of the performance of the candidate out of the 2 attempts will be considered for the final placement, final personnel calculation. So now SNAP is not the only exam doing that. NMAT happens thrice, MAT, ATMA happen 4 times. So SNAP will happen twice. You can give the exam twice. So exam will be conducted computer based test, CBT in a short mode. The application fees will be 1750 for each attempt, and we'll have to decide whether you want to give once or twice well in advance. आपको पहले बताना है. एनमेट में क्या होता है कि पहले आप एक बार दे दो. इफ यू लाइक योर स्कोर, ग्रेट, डोंट नीड टू गिव द एग्जाम अगेन. इफ यू डोंट लाइक योर स्कोर, यू कैन गिव द एग्जाम अगेन. ठीक है, आप एग्जाम 2 बार दे सकते हो. बट हियर यू हैव टू टेल वेल इन एडवांस. दिस इज अ सेकंड चेंज, whether you want to give the exam once or twice. ठीक है, तो my advice would be, it all depends on the mock score. ठीक है, we'll give the mocks and so this is the major change. तो आपको एक बार देना है, 2 बार. So those are serious about CNB या जिनका कैट अच्छा नहीं जा रहा, स्नैप 2 बार दे दो, दिसंबर में भी, जनवरी में भी. तो वी कैन गिव ट्वाइस, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. तो वी कैन डू दैट. Now the major change which have happened, this is a major change for me as well, because मुझे पूरा पैटर्न चेंज करना होगा अभी मॉक्स का. is the time duration of 120 minutes will be down to 60 minutes. या 2 घंटे का पेपर will become 1 hour का पेपर. So SNAP 2020 is going to be the shortest paper in across all the exams. CAT is 3 hours, CMAT is 3 hours, CET is 2.5 hours, NMAT is 2 hours, IFT was 2 hours, SNAP is going to be only 1 hour. Now they have easily compared, we have compared here 2019 and 2020 ka paper. All these details are given on cetking.com/snap. Yeah, all the colleges which are accepting cutoff, everything is there on cetking.com/snap. Yeah, you can check out the link cetking.com/snap. This is the old cutoff which is available there on the link. I'm going to update the site with the new cutoff as well and the new target setting for the new pattern with the study plan. Everything is available here on the link and cutoff and everything. So we are also launching the program from Monday. So Monday we're launching the new batch for SNAP, CET, all the non-CAT exams as well. So in case you want to join our program, description box I given the numbers where you can contact us. Or the numbers will also come in the end of the video. So this is a major change we have. So number of questions will become 60. Yeah, verbal 34 question will become only 15 question. Quant instead of 35, 20 question, and DI logic 36 की जगह 25 question. So paper have become more easier now because there are more and more questions of quant. That is the change number 4. That quant का weightage have obviously reduced, but logic का weightage have increased drastically. Yeah, point number 4. That logic weightage is now much more. Earlier 1/3 used to be logic. Now almost 50% paper is logic. No special question. They've removed the special question. या हमारे लिए पूरा मॉक्स बैठ के चेंज करना होगा. So we are launching the new mock ASAP. So we'll be conducting our new mock in next week. So next weekend we are going to conduct our mock for all our students. In case you want to join our program, we are going to conduct the mocks next weekend, not this weekend, not coming weekend, next weekend. Yeah, so in case you want to join our program for the mock series, you can join us for the new pattern. Now this will be a blessing in disguise for students. That maths ka weightage is remaining same, is 1/3 only, but DI/DS will be more. या अगर DI/DS का एक भी सेट आ गया, पहले भी एक सेट आता था, so quant का weightage will be let's say 10 to 12 question only for maths. Yeah, and verbal का weightage have gone down. यार verbal का weightage have become only 25%, which is a surprise change. ठीक है, so these are the 5 changes which are there. 5 major changes. Number 1, you can give the exam twice. Number 2, you have to decide in advance whether to give it once or twice. Number 3, total number of question changes, time changes. Number 4 is the weightage of the verbal section going down drastically and the weightage for the logic section going up drastically. ठीक है, so these are the 5 major changes which are there. So how you feel about this? Please do comment. 2020 यार नैश लगा दी यार साले ने, तो वार्ड लगा दिया 2020 ने. तो दिसंबर में होगा एंड जैन में होगा. दिस मीन रिजल्ट विल आल्सो गेट delayed. This is the chain number 6. Earlier Snap was among the first people to declare the results and GDPI used to happen immediately. इसका मतलब GDPI भी इस बार और डिले होगा उनका. लास्ट तक February फर्स्ट वीक में GDPI होता था. नाउ दिस मीन February एंड में आपका अगर जैन में एग्जाम रहेगा, रिजल्ट आते आते टाइम लगेगा, तो आई थिंक दैट माइट हैव टू शिफ्ट बाय 15 days to 20 days as well. So after NMAT, Snap is also getting delayed because of that. Yep, so these are the 6 major changes we are getting as of now, and I'm the first one to update you with all the changes. How you feel about this, please do comment in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to make the more videos about the cutoff and everything. So if you're not yet subscribed, do subscribe to our channel. All the best.